Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Sketchwow for beginners. So the very first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser. And then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Sketchwow. That's right. And then you'd be able to see this first website. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, and then after that, right here, as you can see, you have this option. So we have the order now. So the sketch how is that you have to download the application. You cannot directly create your account inside your website, so you have to tap on this order now option. Okay, that's right. And then you will be directed to this section where you have to choose your plan. So we have two different subscription. The first one is we have $39 per month, and then the other one is $49, and that is lifetime. So this one is just, one-time payment. So if you want to get this package, so all you have to do is tap on the get started option. Okay, so when you tap on this one, okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here, you just have to fill out these fields. So for contact information, you just have to type right here your first name, last name, and then your email. And then for your payment method, you have here this fields where you have to type out your card number, the expiration date, and your security code. So you just have to confirm the payment. After that, you just have to complete you're checked out. So you just have to tap on this option right here. Okay, so since we are not really going to, purchase the application, so what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to discuss to you different features of this tool if you are planning to create your sketches and you will earn. Okay, so first up, okay, so as you can see right here, you can actually create a presentation using the sketch how. So we have here, for example, we have here the pyramid chart. So we have so many examples right here. So Sketchwow is, just is the perfect creative companion, so you can quickly condense and communicate your ideas, concepts, and stories in a clear and casual way, so using a fresh and engaging hand-drawn look. So once you use the Sketchwow, you'll never create a typical diagram of whiteboard ever again. So here, what are people making using the Sketchwow? So as you can see right here, we have this different templates or different creations that we can use as reference if you are planning to use this tool. Okay, so we can create right here like charts, comparison table. We can also create right here for our presentation. So yeah, as you can see, okay, so right here, the Sketchwow, they also have these different templates that we can use. So for example, this one's if you want to see this full presentation right here, so you just have to go here and then play the video. And for the powered by AI, so we also have this one, and here can also pick your own template. So let us try to play one video right here, for example this one. Okay, and then here you can also design from scratch. So if you don't want to just use template, and then you want to be unique and do your own creative way, so you just have to design from scratch. So this software offers you the best of both worlds. There is zero freehand drawing or text skills required. So whenever you need catch up professional quality designs, no need to hire an expensive illustrator. Just browse through the library of awesome professional design templates and go. And all of these templates are designed to deliver that wow factor. So the more people read, collect, and engage with their visuals, that can turn into more leads, followers, sales, and to generate more attention and impact. So you just have to scroll down to see for yourself and how this Sketchwow templates really pop. Okay, so here as you can see, it's zero overpriced AI subscription. So you already know that every AI design tool on the planet charges about $12 to $39 per month, and that's about 144 to 468 per year. And for a fixed number of monthly AI credits, we don't do that here on Sketchwow. So you're 49, and that's just one-time payment. So the Sketchwow investment gives you 150 AI credits that never expire. So you can create 150 unique visuals for many months, and you also get all future Sketchwell AI software updates at no cost. So, using the Sketchwell AI assisted features, you can create even faster, catchy visuals automatically on demand, including we have here flowcharts, mind maps, visual summaries, and infographics. So we have that, example right here. So we have the SWOT analysis, animated diagrams. So just using this software, we also have flowchart, diagrams, and flows. We also have the UI wireframes, brainstorm, process map, social content, and more. So here you can also, view what other customers say about this software. So again, for the competitors versus a Sketchwell, we can really see the difference right here. So for Sketchwow, it's eye-catching templates unlike anything you have seen, and it's simple to navigate and use, and designed for making clean diagrams, workflows, and visuals. You can also create unique hand-drawn style visuals, and the most fun is a drag and drop diagram maker. And that's just about $49 one time, and many AI-powered options like mind maps, workflows, visuals, summaries, infographics, and more. So here, as you can see, we have here the diagrams. You can create lessons, network diagrams, workflows again, presentations. You can also create charts, social posts, visual notes, mind maps, graphs, timeline, Venn diagram, process maps, and infographics. And again, we have here now the animated diagrams, journeys, info maps, funnel maps, visual content, meeting summaries, ads, ebook images, prototypes, video thumbnails, and more. Okay, so if you are not really a designer, you don't have to worry about it because you just, follow these steps. First one is you just have to, pick your template, and then you just have to choose a template, the category, or browse them all, and then you just have to choose. And then next is you just have to pick a template that catches your eye, or you can also copy paste part of it into a new document. And last is to edit, personalize, choose from hundreds of icons, and then done. And the final step, in 2 clicks, you just have to copy and paste your design into your favorite apps or export to these format, and then you can also use animated GIF. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.